Hey guys, what's up? It's day 3 of the launch of the iPhone 11. So the Apple Store has been super duper crowded. Today I saw on the Apple Store that you can actually buy online and choose to pick up at the Apple Store and collect it today. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna do it right now. Pick up in store. Check-in window required. Are you freaking serious? Oh, freak. 8:30 to 9? Gosh. What? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna try my luck, and if the gods of Apple devices allow me to go early, I will do it now. I'm gonna pay. Here goes $5.99. Yes! Okay, so I'm gonna drive off now to the Apple Store. Oh, I'm so excited! Okay, bye guys, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys! I just received an email from Apple saying that my item is ready for pickup, but my check-in time is still 8:30 p.m. so I'm still really concerned if I can actually get it now. I've already found a place to park in town and I am super excited to get it. Wish me luck, guys. Okay.
So is that the same name? Okay,
Yeah.
you can go in the credit.
Hi there, how may I help you?
I'm here to collect my Apple phone. Apple Watch.
Apple Series 5 GPS only, right?
Yeah.
The smallest one, 40. The aluminum white,
Correct,
as well as the red color.
Yes,
Very
that's
nice
right.
color.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
so you just hold on here for a moment
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you bring out your item, okay? Yeah.
Cool. Oh my gosh, hi! Where's she? Alright, look at that. It's so damn pretty. Oh! Okay, but look at the beauty. Look at the freaking beauty.
So you got a red, like you.
Yeah.
Show us your new buy from the Apple Store.
Okay, where? How do we open this? How do we open Where's the...
Against the bottom.
Okay.
Wow!
Wow. Actually, they are
Okay.
really cool because they let us set up this thing. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, everyone, calm down. Calm down. Kim, stop laughing. Rin is laughing too. Oh my gosh.
Wow,
Okay,
the
this
red.
super nice. See, it's all matches. Oh wow, yes. I finally get to see this. Okay, so here we are. Look at this.
Careful, don't drop it.
Oh!
Yeah, it's from this here.
Okay, got it. It's turning on? Did I press something?
You wait right here.
Did I press something? Is it supposed to turn on? Gosh, the same charger. Like the one that you put that charger.
It's the auto.
We will open this now.
Okay.
Stay safe.
Oh, please don't drop it. Wow!
Okay, I saw Kim doing this like the other day. So, hey, we made it look easier than it is.
The bottom on top, the top.
Help her over here. Okay, put it on. Oh, we have a very smart Apple Watch person here. Ooh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Welcome to the vlog.
The family.
How does it feel?
You try it on.
It
feels so good, guys. It's like nicer than mine. You're making me jealous. Wow. Okay. Look at this beautiful thing here. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So I just did the unboxing of this Apple Watch in the Apple Store, and it was super cool. Super cool. It was like a big family because like one of the Genius Bar guy actually saw us trying to unbox in the Apple Store together, because I just wanted to unbox with my friends because they're so supportive and they're so like excited for me. And he was like, why not we stack the boxes up for you? Those like boxes that were supposed to be like chairs. So he actually stacked up the boxes and we had a table and we actually unboxed the Apple Watch in the Apple Store, and it was super exciting, super cool. And huge shout out to my friend Rin and Kim for helping me film it. How about I just finish up the unboxing because I don't think I saw the charger in it. So this is actually the Apple Watch band that I got. This is the goodness that you would want to check out. And this is it. So this is the box. I really like how you can see all the Apple Watches here. So I got the space gray version, and let's see how it looks like again. So they actually came with, this. This is a casing and a protector for my Apple Watch, but I highly doubt that I would see it anytime soon because the Apple Watch will always be on my wrist, so this doesn't feel like it's necessary. So yeah, back in the box. We have this. This is like the Apple Watch charger. Let me just take a quick look. So what I was saying to Kim in the Apple Store was how nicely this comes out and folds back in. So this is like the new kind of design that Apple decided to go with the new iPhone and new watches. So that's very cool. So yeah, this is very nice. The wireless charger for the Apple Watch. It's still wrapped. This is actually all there is in the box. There's nothing else left. Is it charging? It is charging. Look at that. Look at this. It's charging. Wow. It tells you that it's charging. Wow. Sorry, this is my first time owning an Apple Watch, so I'm super excited. But yeah, look at this beauty. Wow, it's charging already. I've been playing with this watch for about 3 hours right now, and I absolutely love how it feels like on my hands, on my wrist. This comes from someone who hasn't been wearing a watch for 10 years. It actually doesn't feel that heavy. I thought it would be like such a bother, but I'm like now in love with looking at my wrist so much, and I'm like constantly looking at my wrist just to look at the watch, the beauty on my hand. I find myself being less distracted on my phone, if that makes sense, because the Apple Watch just does it for me. Like as long as I have a notification, I get it on my watch and wrist, and I sort of get less distracted while I'm working. And the good thing is, Apple Watch has this thing called Breathe and asking me to stand up, and it reminds me that I need to take a break. I chose Red and Space Gray Aluminium finish, and it looks super nice. I like how out there it is. Red is just my color, so yeah. But the thing is, I don't have a lot of friends who own Apple Watches. So basically Rin and Kim, the people who went with me to the Apple Store, are the only friends that I have who own an Apple Watch, and because they are Apple fans like me. So I don't really have a lot of people whom I can challenge and walkie-talkie with on the Apple Watch. But that's okay because I have them. I just hope that they don't get annoyed with me. I'm so looking forward to testing this out. So I'm gonna swim with it, I'm gonna drown with it, I'm gonna I'm gonna do loads of activities with this baby. So stay tuned for those videos coming up real soon. Today is actually my second time in the Apple Store in the same week. It's crazy, but I love it. Just a big fan, real big fan. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Apple Watch, and did you get it? Stay minty and cherry. See you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh my gosh, you guys oh my gosh, you guys look. How cool is this? How cool is this? It's like changing colors and everything, and look.